Samak Mashwi, an Arabic style whole BBQ fish with an Indian twist. It's an extra blessing for fish lovers, which has a smoky aroma and melts in mouth when eaten. Welcome to Delectable Eats, a place for every taste. Place properly washed and clean whole fish in a tray. Cut 3 to 4 deep diagonal slits into both sides of the fish. Add all powdered spices along with vinegar and mustard oil. To make it more special, we are preparing a paste using fresh green herbs, garlic cloves, dry coconut, and cashews, which helps in binding. Add thick paste and rub the marinade over the fish, ensuring it gets inside the slits cavity and over the head. Wrap in a foil and let it marinate for 1 to 2 hours. Preheat your BBQ grill to medium-high heat until coals sit at constant temperature. Place the fish on grill and cook for 10 minutes on each side without poking it. Remove from the grill and serve hot immediately. If you wanna have it, you should definitely try making it. Otherwise, order and we'll feed you.